Hello everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Rotaract. Today with us we have one of the most enthusiastic teams of all times, the team Zones. Hello everyone, can you all introduce yourselves?
Yeah, so hi, I'm Rotractor Mohammed Nafar, ZRR Zone 1A.
Hi everyone, I am Rotractor Mohit Kothari, ZRR Zone 1B.
Hi, my name is Rotractor Ankit Yadav, ZRR Zone 2A.
Hi, I'm Krishangi Agarwal, ZRR Zone 2A.
Hey guys, this is Rotractor Asta Parekh, ZRR Zone 2B.
Hi everyone, this is Rotractor Saurabh Patel, ZRR Zone 2B.
Hey guys, this is Rotractor Harshita Sevani, ZRR Zone 3A.
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Aman Singh, ZRR Zone 3B.
Hey guys, hope y'all are doing great. So my first question to y'all is, how is it managing the clubs under this pandemic and, coping up with this entire situation? And how was the feeling like when you finally saw the installations of the club taking place?
So I'll take the second question first. So installations is an installation is always very special to a club, right? And in my Rotaract journey, I've never seen an installation happening online. And the way the clubs have coped up with the situation, and they did the installations. Nevertheless, it was really heartwarming, and I myself gave my outgoing in an online installation. So yes, it was really just the need of the hour, I guess. And as far as the pandemic goes, the clubs, they were ready to face the challenge. This could have gone two ways. Either the clubs would have just shut down, okay, not done anything, or it would have gone the way it actually did, right? The clubs took up the challenge, did online meetings, online events, and everything. So I think all in all, what we had to do is we just had to be there for the clubs. We had to guide them wherever they needed guidance, and just like I said, just be there for the club. That was very important, I feel.
Mohit?
Yeah, so I got announced pretty late, and as soon as I got announced, I had my first installation within 2 days. So to be honest, I did not have much time to think about how it's going to go or anything. I just had to make sure that I'm there for the club along with my co-ZRR Rotractor Runel. And as soon as we witnessed the first installation, we knew that the clubs will cope up and the clubs will do great, like Mohammed said. And so we are really proud of all the clubs, whether it's me or any of the ZRs. We all are proud of the clubs, the way they have functioned. It's kudos to all the clubs, the way they have survived the online mode so far. So yeah.
So when it comes to communicating and talking to the clubs, yes, at first it was difficult, but people have shown resilience when it comes to reaching out to us and when it comes to us reaching out to them as well. So that was tough at times in the beginning, but later on, that is how it was, and that is what the norm was. And it was really fun to know. And possibly, I would rather say that it was like a boon when it comes to communicating to the clubs this way because it was quite easier. When it comes to installation, again, as said by Mohammed and Mohit, it was really great to see the clubs stepping up to the occasion and showing such great and resilience when it comes to conducting their installation. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Shangi.
Yes, I think definitely I agree with what Ankit also said. It was very challenging at start also because even I got announced a little late and, getting to know the clubs better, it was a little difficult. But I think with time, everyone kind of got used to the situation we had at hand and they adopted themselves to it. So I think overall it has been great in terms of communication. I feel that within the zone, we've made like a nice small Pressec family team, so which is very easy for us to talk to them about literally anything. And installations, I feel that it was a little difficult maybe for incoming and outgoing presidents to have it online, but I think they still didn't lose hope and they went along with it. So I think we should applaud them that they did not lose hope this year.
So when it comes to the zones of all the clubs of Zone 2B, we are like literally widely spread when it comes to geography. So meeting everybody on ground and then everybody coming together, it really becomes difficult sometimes. So then I really took this situation to be a very good situation, because we could do Zoom sessions every day. We could connect to them every day. We could actually know what is happening with them, what they are planning to do when the situation became difficult for us. We did not know what is going to happen tomorrow. And all the way to installation, when we are on ground, we know that we have this person taking care of this person taking care of that. We know we are having somebody as a backup. But when you are at home, you are all alone and you know that you have to do things. So somewhere down the line, we became more self-dependent rather than depending on somebody else. And we took this up as a challenge, and all kudos to Zoom that it existed at some time that we did not even know it did.
So just like how Asta said, actually, we would like to thank Zoom for this opportunity to give us, like she said, right, it was geographically always challenging for 2B to meet and to have ZRR press or to meet the presidents and everything, because it's from Palghar to Jogeshwari, right? So as the theme of 2B suggests that it's unstoppable, so that was the whole motto behind me and Asta, that no matter what happens, we have to keep motivating the clubs. We have to keep motivating no matter what the situation gets. They're saying we are waiting to do on-ground installations. Every club during the ZRR press said we want to do on-ground installations, but we said don't wait for it. I think online gives you a different opportunity. In a way, you can say that like every coin has two sides. Online has its own benefits, right? That you can get all the members are over there. You can interact with each other far more, it gets better. So in an on-ground setting, you have to manage the venue and everything. So it becomes challenging that way. So in a way, Zoom made it easier for the club. So it was far. It could have, obviously, without the pandemic, it would have been better. But I think it just gave us a new opportunity to go hybrid in the future.
Right. With respect to Zone 3A, I think Vidit and I both will be on the same page as all my other co-ZRRs are, right? It has been challenging, and I think the biggest challenge for all the ZRRs us here was to give the reality check to the clubs right at the start ki boss, ye pandemic jaldi nahi jaane wala hai. If you all are planning things, make sure you're planning it online and offline. Of course, as presidents, everybody has that armand to do a grand installation and everything. But yeah, with time, I think as everybody mentioned, they did adapt to it, and they adapted it with so much beauty that kudos to all the clubs, because they not only performed their installations, but they also kept up to doing their mega projects or flagship projects also. They came up with so many innovative ideas to conduct things differently. Rotract has now gained an entirely 360-degree and different perspective with this online, and I think that's the beauty about it, right? As he mentioned, all coins have two sides. So I think, yes, of course, everyone has their own ups and downs, and journey has been beautiful till now. Especially the challenging part was we had so many charter clubs this year to to also take care of them. And since it's online, you're not meeting them physically. Unko samjhana ki what is Rotrack, what is Rotary, keeping constantly meetings karna, make sure they're reporting. So all of these things, yes, we have had our fun elements also. So overall, it was a great journey.
So for Zone 3B, this pandemic has helped us to connect the clubs which were not so involved. So actually, being very honest, I and Sunil were very scared कि मतलब pandemic हो गया, हम लोग का बहुत सारा on ground plans था, क्या करे कुछ. So इस time पे I will say कि we should, not only me, every ZRR will agree कि we should appreciate the clubs, because उन लोग ने हम लोग ने इस बार नहीं ज़्यादा motivate किया, but clubs have motivated us कि you can do this project, that project. तो हम लोग वो वेज में हम लोग ने बहुत सारे क्लब्स के साथ मिलके प्रोजेक्ट्स किए, और बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे क्लब्स जो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई भी, मैं अभी वो क्लब्स के नाम नहीं लेना चाहूंगा, बट XYZ क्लब्स से जो कभी एक्टिव नहीं होते थे, ऑन ग्राउंड मीट्स में नहीं आते थे, बट वो भी क्लब्स ऑनलाइन मीट्स में आने लगे, इंटरेस्ट लेने लगे, और उसकी वजह से फ्यूचर में भी वो अभी बहुत सारे, हर जोन में ऐसे 2-3 क्लब्स है जिन लोगों ने फ्यूचर टीम्स भी रिलीज कर दिए, जिनके टीम्स रिलीज होने में बहुत टाइम हो जाते हैं. तो ये पैंडेमिक ने वो वे में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया जोन्स को. और इंस्टॉलेशन की तो बात ही कुछ और है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्लब्स है जिन लोगों ने दिसंबर तक रोका कि नहीं ऑन ग्राउंड होगा तो दिसंबर में करेंगे, ऑन ग्राउंड करेंगे, बट एट द एंड सबको ऑनलाइन करना पड़ा. बट ठीक है, सब कुछ हैप्पीली हो रहा है.
That's really great to see that clubs have kept the enthusiasm up even in this pandemic situation. So moving on to the next question.
Yes, so also I want to add one more thing. As ZRRs ना तुम लोग को हर इंस्टॉलेशन पे जाना पड़ता था कि जाओ अटेंड करो, मतलब अगर सपोज तुम्हारे इसमें 10 क्लब्स है मिनिमम, तो तुम जाके उसके इंस्टॉलेशन पे बैठो, तुम्हें ट्रैवल करना पड़ता पूरा मुंबई। तो वो एक एडवांटेज आई फील ZRRs को काफ़ी मिल गया ये साल कि तुम घर बैठे बैठे तुम अपने क्लब को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो। ऑब्वियसली वो फीलिंग तुम मिस किए कि वहाँ जाके उनको कंग्रेचुलेट करोगे ये वो, but traveling wala perspective you gradually made it into home by happening it on Zoom. So coming to zone 1A first, it was your first year in council, and so could you all please explain how was your experience, and we have even heard that regards to ZRR Insights, you all do it in a different way. What could you all please let us know what exactly it is about?
Okay, so I'll just go first. So yeah, it has been it has been our first year in council, and the experience has really been very good. And we never thought that, like when we saw that, this was a team of 100 people. We never thought that we could be such a close family. Like we would be as one team. But like as the year progressed, we actually were together as one team, and we never felt that's our first year in council. We had especially me, I have great friends I have made great friends as ZRs that I hear. And talking about insights was actually the idea of Khan, Mohammed Khan, the other ZR of 1A. So Mohammed, you want to speak about ZR Insights?
The idea and all was fine, but we have both have worked a lot behind that for preparing the clubs. And yes, it is our first year. It is my first year in the district, and it's been a fantastic year. I've made a lot of friends, I've made a lot of connections, and I've learned a lot of things to develop myself in different ways. Coming to ZRR Insights, yes, it was a plan, but while executing it, we had a lot of ups and downs. We have to consider a lot of things. And while presenting, that was a fantastic way which Mohammed Nafal came up with in Excel, which was really appreciable by the core team. So yes, we had everything in place. Like it was a win-win. That plan was a win-win. Execution was a win-win in terms of our clubs plus keeping our DCMs at the same line. So it was a great journey, and I loved being the ZRR.
That's really great. So there is a question for Mohammed Nafar from a person. I don't know how this question is going to sound for you, but it is a question. So मेलोडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है, ये जरा वो इंसान को जानना है, तो आप जरा बता सकते हैं क्यों इतनी चॉकलेटी है?
Funny story before I answer that, मेरे को एक कॉल आया था, मेरे को यही सवाल पूछा गया था, I know who this person is. I'll answer the same, what I told her. So when initially, right, the Melody people started making that, like they wanted to make a chocolate, right? So their actual idea was to make it chocolatey, right? उनको अंदर chocolate भरना था उस इतनी सी टॉफी में. But what happened is that people didn't know कि जिन्होंने मेलोडी बनाया उनको actually उसको chocolatey बनाना था. So if अगर people को मालूम नहीं था, they didn't market it that way and they just sent it out, right? अब लोग खरीद रहे, खा रहे हैं, they are like, wow, ये इतना chocolatey है. So people started asking around, why is it so chocolatey? Why is it so chocolatey? So and the makers of the toffee, they never said ke marketed that way कि हमको उसको बनाना ही था chocolatey, that's why it is chocolatey. So yeah, I think that's why it is chocolatey, because the makers wanted to make it that way.
सबसे लॉजिकल आंसर सुना है मैंने इस चीज का, पहली बार आंसर एकदम परफेक्ट लगा. सो स्लो क्लैप्स फॉर यू.
Thank you so much for that insight, Mohammed. The next question. So with regards to 1B, you have had a zonal bulletin named Awas, wherein you all presented all the initiatives done by the clubs, and many different things also took place in that. So how was it coordinating with the clubs, and how did you all work on it?
So Dronil and I, we both, right from the year when it started, back in July, we both were sure about one thing, that we wanted to provide a platform to all our 18 clubs, to show their projects, not only in the Rotrack circles, but beyond. And so when we were thinking about it, we came up with a zonal magazine called Our Voice or Awas. So for this, and like I said, right, I mean, kudos to all the clubs, because they were there with us. And, when we presented this idea to our clubs, a lot of clubs came forward, to help us out with. And the zonal magazine, which which has 4 to 5 different clubs, with us on board, they have, I mean, technically it's their magazine. Dhrul and I, we just had to make sure that the work is getting done, by the deadline. That's it. So again, for the zonal magazine as well, it's all the clubs that that have worked on the magazine, and the clubs that have sent all the articles and everything. So thank you to all the clubs for that.
That was a great initiative because we got to know about all the clubs and their initiatives. So moving on with the next, that is Zone 2A. So Krishangi and Ankit, you celebrated World Cities Day. You had community, and now you're ensuring that our phones get hanged. हमको इतना spam हो चुका है from all your zones, from all the clubs from your zones, that literally now we get to know कि हाँ हफ्ते में एक बार तो हमारा phone switch off होने के हालत में आएगा, because you all post so much on Instagram and make sure that it happens so much that everybody gets to know. So that is synergy. So how did you all come up with the idea, and how was it like planning for it?
Okay, so firstly, if you had asked us this same question exactly a year ago, so I would have said कि कुछ plans नहीं है. So whatever we have done, be it Communique or World Cities Day, specifically World Cities Day, which we did. So that was something which we planned in 2 days, and it was like कि हाँ ठीक है अभी Cities Day आ रहा है तो फिर कुछ करते हैं, and permission sought करके we decided कि okay ठीक है, the situation seems good, so let's do it. And when it comes to all the other initiatives like Synergy and Communique, so as Mohit said that they also wanted to give a platform to the clubs to showcase their projects. So we had a similar thought when it comes to doing Communique. So that goes with Communique. But when it comes to Synergy, what happens is that there is something which we can learn from each other, right? So we wanted every club to be under the same platform where people can actually promote themselves at the same time they do something meaningful. So that was the main intent behind all the projects. And also the fact that all these projects are pro clubs, because we always, like I and Krishangi, always have this thought in mind that we want to really give back to the club. So this was something from our end to the clubs that we wanted to do this. And what the projects were, Krishangi will be taking over.
Okay, yeah. So firstly, sorry to spam you all every Saturday, but I think it will go on for a while. We still have few weeks left. But yeah, like World Cities Day, as Ankit also mentioned, it was done, on the occasion of World Cities Day, which is celebrated worldwide. And here we actually wanted, the GBM to come up and, put in some effort on their club's behalf to showcase their talent, to show their creative side. So they made some really fun, quirky tourism ads also. And along with that, they did some fun PR activities where they, curated stories or posts and articles on what, people can do when they're visiting the city. So I think this was one event that, the Zone 2A, all the clubs of Zone 2A really, really enjoyed. And we did try to add an incentive of giving them 5,000 rupee MMT voucher, which is thanks to Team Promo. So yeah, that was an incentive again for them, which kind of did motivate them. So yeah, I think this has been a great project so far. When it comes to Communique, like Communique, every month we are showing one of the best projects, the club has done. But an additional thing that we really wanted to add is Champions of the Month. So we select alphabetically one club every month, and they send one person or any BOD member who has done really well. So I think that is a good way to kind of motivate other people in the club also, to work towards, some good initiatives. So yeah, I think that aspect of Communique was really appreciated. And as for Synergy, yeah, I think the main intent is to get clubs together and also to put out some quality content out there, which can, not only help, Zone 2A, but everyone who is there at Road Track or anyone who's following the club pages. So yeah.
That's really great to see that synergy is still maintained within the entire zone. So moving on to the next zone. So coming to Zone 2, one of the most top projects and the fest of this year, that is Oktoberfest, you all managed to conduct it online, and that way at the peak of the pandemic. So could you all please elaborate upon how did you conduct this entire fest throughout the entire year? Throughout the entire month. How did you all manage to conduct it?
Okay, so basically Oktoberfest was something that just came out of my mind one day, and I just called up Saurabh saying, Saurabh, एक idea आया है जबरदस्त, करने का है कि नहीं बोल. He said,
Don't
"Chal,
forget, there was a
we will
1 week
try."
of brainstorming going on. There was a 1 week of brainstorming going on. Then the idea came out.
There were weeks of brainstorming where we and Saurabh would sit together and actually think, okay, online पूरा महीना करना है. How are we going to actually keep motivating the clubs to be a part of it? So then the main idea behind Oktoberfest was that all the clubs are going to participate here. We paired up clubs considering what strong is there in one club, what weakness is there in the other club, so that they come together and learn together, and they actually learn how to conduct an event online, because that is how the year was going to go ahead. Right, so it was a very good initiative, and all the genres, when it comes to personality development, when it comes to learning Garba, when it comes to playing a quiz game, there were 8 to 10 initiatives that were conducted in the entire month. There was not one weekend that was left ahead except for one that was a special request. So that we actually allotted all the clubs, taking into consideration that they had exams in October and November. We had to juggle up with a lot of dates. We had to come up with ideas. The club came up with a lot of ideas. We had to see if it was possible or no. But the main point here was that even though it was a difficult situation, we had more than 100 participants in each event that we conducted. So that was a really, really, really big thing. When it comes to putting up JPEGs of all the events that happened, the clubs have been equally responsive of sending the social media directors and letting. It was a specific time and a specific tagging of people that these people have to be tagged here, and this time the JPEG should go up. So then there was a lot of support from all the clubs when it comes to planning, execution, and making it a big, big, big success. I will not speak up everything. Now let Saurabh go ahead.
I was waiting for the exact thing. I was like, okay, she's going to go into a flow. So the thing is, so just like she said, so there was social media managers. Every day around that time, we used to post like Asta and I created images on Canva for teasers, and we have to go on like a big PR spree that we have to keep on doing the PR of it. Like people need to know what is Oktoberfest. So our initial idea was to cover up all the avenues in Oktoberfest. So to do a project from each and every avenue, but it was not feasible in an online scenario. So so we left it on the clubs to what they want to do. So then eventually the entire Oktoberfest came. You will not believe all the 17, 18 clubs which were there. They were we were on the phone calls, like in the mornings, in the nights, in the evenings, like every time of the day we were on the phone calls with them. And we were planning this, we were planning that. You want this speaker, you want that speaker. How are we supposed to PR it? What is our participant strategy? One event is over. Immediately the day the event gets over, the previous day of it, we start planning the next event. And we are like, me and Asta we're constantly talking to the clubs. And I want to say kudos to the entire, clan of 2V. They say that, unstoppable, and like bhai, kidhar to stop hoega. Where was like, nahi, but the clubs were still they were all charged up. They were completely charged up. Right? It was a really amazing experience. I mean, me and Asta said after Oktoberfest, my God, we are taking a leave for 10 days because we can't do it. But seeing the energy, the entire club portrayed and everything, even our co-ZRs who supported us, everybody, when we posted in the teasers in the groups and everything, our co-ZRs supported us. They even participated us in our events. Harshita had participated in the arts event. So it was really an amazing experience. So thank you for each and everyone.
I would like to add one point here. This also led to a new group that was formed called the Unstoppables, which were formed by the GBMs of all the clubs. एक group बन गया, फिर दूसरा group भी बना है, Unstoppables Part 2. So then that was a very good thing because they actually initiated it for us.
That's really great to see, because even with regards
Absolutely.
to yes, even with regards to PR as well of this event, we remember in the WhatsApp groups of the council there was some riddles and everything with regards to an event introduction. Like this is the event, how it is going to be. But उधर एक riddle रहा करता था, मेरे को याद है अच्छे से, and we used to solve that riddle. क्या है इसका answer बैठ के. And also coming to the opening ceremony, and even me and Anisha were part of one of the events. It was really fun to see so much enthusiasm amongst all the clubs and everything. It was completely unstoppable, I can say. So
we did not actually plan for the opening session. It was the president who came to us that, okay, we are doing something very big and different from all the years that has been started. We want it to be grand, and grand starting hona chahiye. We want to do it. So they took up the entire initiative of the opening session.
Amazing, amazing. So here is a question for Saurabh on demand. So इधर question ये है कि सुना है कि आपका जो काउंसिल इंटरव्यू रहा है 2021 का, अभी जो टाइम ऑफ चैंपियंस का जो है, वो काफी अच्छे से गया है, ये हमने सुना है. तो फिर भी जब आपको कॉल आया गया था अनिरुद्ध से, आप बहुत एकदम ऐसे चिंतित हो गए थे वो कॉल को देखकर, एंड आप असेंबली तक एकदम ऐसे चिंतित सिचुएशन में थे. तो जरा बता सकते हैं कि इसके बारे में कि कैसा क्या था आपका ये सुनहरा पल ये पूरे 3 महीने का. Saurabh?
Okay. Yeah, I was just trying. So many things happened. I'm just trying to decode which thing is it. मेरा इंटरव्यू के बारे में अगर पूछोगे ना, all my interviews have been like, there is a story behind it. Like all the interviews have been so interesting. So like none of my interviews, apart from this year's, have been less than like 1.5 hours. So it has been as long as a Sherlock series episode. So yeah, and it was as it was as questionable as a Sherlock episode. Like, oh, there are more mysteries than answers actually. Because I had always applied for an avenue which I always wanted, something else, and then all of a sudden, so the irony of it. So me and Astha were applying for international service. Okay, so essentially, me and Astha were effectively running for the same seat. So okay, what is going to happen? And we had the interviews on the same day. So we spoke about it, and Astha is like, "ये मेरे को भी ZRR के लिए बोला, मैं हाँ मेरे को भी ZRR के लिए बोला." तो मैं बोला मैं तो ZRR के लिए ना बोलना था, ZRR कौन बनेगा? And Astha said the same thing, exact same. like ZRR नहीं बनेगा. And उसके पीछे हम लोग का 1 से 1.5 घंटा हम लोग देखो ना इंटरव्यू में, इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे अपने 3D it was Mohit, Jamin, and it was and Zakir. These 3 were there. So they were just cross-questioning me. So they were giving me avenues पे avenues. हर कोई avenue खत्म हो रहा था. मैं बोला कोई और avenue बचा है, तुम लोग उधर लिख दो. तुम लोग को कोर टीम लिखना है, कोर टीम भी लिख दो. मैं उसके लिए भी इंटरव्यू देता. तुम लोग को देना रहेगा. Like this was the thing happening, and apparently the same was happening with Astha. And then after 7 or 8 days, not 7 or 8 days, after 2 weeks or so, Astha messaged me, "Hey, congratulations." And she's like, "You became the ZRR to be." I'm like, "Oh my God, thank you so much." She's like, because मैंने बाद में बोल दिया था कि like, ठीक है, I'll become the ZRR. तो फिर ये हुआ, and then I started asking people that who is my partner. जबकि मेरे को like I didn't have the like common sense to ask था कि how do you know this? So Astha had messaged me in the morning around 9:30, 10. My tube light clicked around 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock in the evening. Like I should ask her only, na? How did she get to know? She's like, sir, I am only your co-ZRR. I'm like, oh, okay, congratulations. And yeah, so this is my interview story. So it has been quite an adventure.
Okay, so moving on with Zone 3A, with regards to the training of general body members, you all had one initiative named REAL, that is Retractors Empowerment and Ability to Lead. So how was it leading the entire zone and getting such a successful event where all the members were trained so nicely? So how was it for you?
Okay, I think REAL has been one of the closest projects to my heart, and Viz will also agree with the same. Actually, the entire planning of this project took a month's time. We had a couple of council members also who helped us. That we had pre-sessions of actually making them sit and telling them that, we're going to do this. Please give us your suggestions. They gave us our suggestions. And more than that, the biggest challenge over here was I work in day shift and Vidit works in night shift. And as leaders of the zone and for conducting the training and development, learning and development events, we had like a 4 week project where each month we were doing activity based events in that. And we had concepts about leadership and all the other concepts that are very important from a Rotractor's perspective, to not only just Rotract but other perspectives as well covered in that. And then we finally came to a consensus कि weekend तो कर नहीं सकते इसको because Vidit is not available. So we used to do it on Thursday evenings, and clubs have also been very supportive with this. The members have thoroughly enjoyed this event. And just like the Oktoberfest had a grand beginning of the event, we did like a pre-event for those members, and we had a grand ending. We had like an entire graduation ceremony where we had fun. We had somebody who was singing. We gave them certificates. We appreciated them, and even they did like a small gesture. I think it was overall a fantastic journey. The biggest idea behind this project was to actually throw a platform at the new Rotractors and to make them realize what Rotract is actually all about. Because it was the pandemic, everything was happening online, and it was difficult for them to actually understand. So we also executed a project in community service where we raised funds and did a donation of more than 1,000 plus books and stationery items. So yeah, overall, the entire 1 month journey has been quite crazy, and definitely we enjoyed a lot.
Okay, okay. So coming to the last zone, that is Zone 3B, you all had an initiative named Musafir on the occasion of Friendship Day, but that too at the start of the pandemic when we didn't know how to go about it with this entire situation. And I guess you all had done it in collaboration with other districts as well. So could you all please tell us about how did you all manage to conduct this entire project?
So actually basically मुसाफिर हम लोग ने जब स्टार्ट किया था तो आई एंड सुनील हैड अ प्लान कि एटलीस्ट लेट्स ट्राई कि हमारे जो जोन्स के क्लब्स है उन लोग का एटलीस्ट सिस्टर क्लब्स या ट्विन क्लब्स एक बार कंप्लीट हो, क्योंकि a lot of clubs from our zone never complete sister clubs and twin club, not they take seriously. तो हम लोग ने वो प्लान से हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि लेट्स प्रमोट सिस्टर क्लब एंड ट्विंस क्लब. तो इट वाज हम लोग ने जैसे ऐसे कैलेंडर स्क्रॉल कर रहे, तो इट वाज जस्ट कि 10-12 डेज बाद फ्रेंडशिप डे. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज कि हम लोग एक छोटा सा इवेंट करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग इंडियन कल्चर्स बाहर के कंट्रीज को दिखाएंगे. तो वो एक छोटे से प्लान के साथ ऑल कुडोस टू द टीम आईएएस ऑफ जोन 3B, मतलब जितने भी आईएएस डायरेक्टर्स है जोन 3B में उन लोग और बाकी के एवरीवन फ्रॉम द टीम मुसाफिर की उन लोग ने 10 दिन में 32 डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट से बहुत सारे क्लब्स लाए. इनफैक्ट उन लोग ने कैरेबियन डिस्ट्रिक्ट से इतने सारे क्लब्स लाए कि नॉट ओनली अस की इंडियन कल्चर हम लोग ने बताया था, बट कैरेबियन कंट्री से भी लोग आए थे. उन लोग ने डांस परफॉर्मेंस दिया था, ग्रुप डांस एंड ऑल, ऐसे छोटे छोटे शेयर्स. और व्हाट आई थिंक इज वन पॉजिटिव थिंग इज कि ज्यादा मुझे अभी रेशियो नहीं मालूम कि कितने क्लब ने सिस्टर क्लब या ट्विंस क्लब कंप्लीट किया, बट इतना मुझे मालूम है कि एटलीस्ट एवरी क्लब इन आवर जोन have some of the other contact for twins club and sister club, not only the single contact but multiple contacts उनके पास. तो वो एक बेनिफिट हुआ मुसाफिर का, और वो एक बहुत ही सिंपल छोटे से आइडिया से हुआ था जो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से हुआ. एंड वी रिसीव्ड अ क्वाइट गुड पार्टिसिपेंट फ्रॉम अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
सॉरी, मेरे को चीजें थोड़ा लेट याद आता है, प्लीज मेरे साथ 2 मिनट और बेयर करना. सो व्हाट वाज द बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ दिस इवेंट वाज बेसिकली वन ऑफ आवर मेंबर्स हु वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव was in his hometown in Jharkhand, Ranchi, और उसमें भी कोई छोटू सा शहर में. And what exactly happened was, still network issues था जो भी था, he kept up to it. And not only this, as I mentioned that we did a community service donation drive where for stationery and study items for all the 3 organizations in Mumbai. He alone, with the help of his other friend who is a non-retractor, did the same donation drive and collected the same books for an reading organization there in Ranchi ka wo chotu sa reading library place for his students. And it was such a proud movement as a ZRR, as a zone, I think even as a club. It was so good. It was such a good feeling, to know that irrespective wherever you are, you're not leaving that essence, and you're just coming up and being in that unity. So it was a very, very, very happy, proud moment for all the people who were in the zone and who've been working towards Real. That was like the thing for us. like irrespective.
Not only 3A के लिए proud moment था, it is for everyone. I feel like everybody is like
And the
commendable for that.
and the exact intent of the event to create a leader just showed out, right? Because he took
Yes.
the lead. He was a general body member, but he took that lead and he did it. So that was something that we were really proud about.
Great. Even I would also say, Aman, your idea, your zones idea was also like quite unique, innovative, and maybe mark for other in the future clubs that 3B clubs, they think about this and do it again next year probably, because it's a great idea for twin club and sister clubs. So for all the zones, I just want to say you all did a great job this year, and kudos to you all specifically for managing everything. Happy to see that you did so many things this year and stand out for being the ZRRs for your particular zones. So for that.
And also for maintaining the same enthusiasm and ensuring that the clubs do well this year as well, even in this pandemic.
Yes. So moving on to the next segment of this session, that is the game part. We will be playing the most happening and the most known game, Never Have I Ever. All the questions are regarding the Rotaract. Let's move on with the game.
All right.
Yes. So the first situation for you all is, never have I ever got frustrated with the endless doubts from the pressing. Be honest, huh?
Honest एकदम.
कभी भी नहीं. Oh, okay. काफी अलग answers है. ठीक है. Okay, great. Okay, so moving on with the next question. Never have I ever given excuse to leave a meeting because I was bored.
So moving on with the next situation. Never have I ever liked attending online installations rather than on-ground installations.
I have a light. I'm the only one? Oh, hi Saurabh, thanks.
Hi.
Okay.
Only because it's further excuse.
Hey, I stay in Virar. My zone is 1A. I stay in Virar.
Oh.
I think
I'm sorry, it's still not an excuse.
तू मेरे जोन में आ जा. कोई बात
नहीं. Sorry.
Fine. Chalo. So moving on with the next question. Never have I ever am I never going to miss the battles of zones for red and rice?
नहीं. I like this United Zones.
Actually, yeah, we were
United Zones ज़्यादा better है. United Zones better है.
ये आगे आने वाले सारे ZRRs के लिए
बट गोल्स मिस करेंगे. गोल्स
मिस करेंगे.
गोल्स के लिए बस गोल्स के लिए.
मैं तो वहां पे भी नहीं था.
I think this is Mohammad Nafan जैसे rightly बोला कि this is all for the future ZRRs. Please unite.
Don't fight.
Exactly. हम लोग
ये strong for
ये साल हम लोगों ने इतना प्यार से रहे, हम लोग साथ में एक दूसरे के प्रोजेक्ट कितना सपोर्ट किया.
So the last question for you all is, never have I ever been asked by an avenue director of the council to put up a PR message in their zonal group and get the participants for the event.
Oh, one answer.
काफी दर्द. Why is this?
Who is laughing like that?
Nafar has to be Nafar. आवाज से समझा.
On behalf of all the directors, we are sorry for spamming you so much. So last one question I want to ask is that officially Red and Rice has been cancelled. So how do you all feel about that?
With all the smiles.
Yes.
So much love we all have amongst each other.
So happy to see this, that you all are on the same page for the same thing.
So with this, we come to an end of this session. Hope you all have enjoyed being with us over here, and hope that even the audience enjoys watching it. So until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.